buy the Aussie dollar. So the focus this week is going to be on the Australian. And this is the Australian dollar. We are in a congestion, a sideways pattern. Yes, the trend is still up, but I have absolutely no momentum. The market is moving sideways. It's been sideways since April of this year. It has been made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts to go above the 108, but it thus far has failed. And with all the positive news in the market today, this has sold off, even with the selling off of the dollar. This is what I want you to see, guys. Look at this. This is the selling off. This is the selling off in the dollar index. Look at this. From here to here. And this is the Aussie. Instead of it going up, it's actually coming down. So now we're going to identify a selling point. This close is a normal close. It is a close that doesn't imply that somebody is being squeezed. So this is a normal close that imply continuity, and therefore I'm looking for it to continue to the downside. But since this is a congestion in an upward trend, I need to get my sell signals before I initiate my trade. So the low of the day is 106.18. The close is 106.38. So I am 20 ticks away from the low point. So if I look at the intraday, this is where the market has closed, and this is the low of the day, the 106.30, and so we are going to be sellers below we're going to short it below 106. 106.18, and if we sell it below 106.18, I can actually put my buy stop above the. I mean, you have now this. If it gets above here, in this case above the 160.50, that would be my stop on the short side. So my stop is going to be, my short stop is going to be 106.50. Now on the long side, if I look at this chart, you can see that this has been coming down until the 12th. It reversed, doing a trend, pushing higher, higher, and then kept on going higher, and now it is beginning to make failure. This has become now my little structure. As soon as it broke the structure over here, you got the capitulation, and now you got your momentum low. It took the other momentum low, and this is where we are at this now. So this baby is my structure that gave me the capitulation. So therefore, in this case, it is going to be my buying point. That's what I told you in the beginning of the session. So if it gets above the 106.93, so I'm going to buy long here above the 106.93. Okay, that is my buying point. And if I do buy it, I can use a very tight stop. I'll probably use the momentum high of 106. I'll use the market side, which is the 106.50. So the long stop and the short stop is going to be one and the same. The 106.50 is going to be the long stop and the short stop. My structure point is still the 104.39, and my structure long is still the 108.86. They both of those have not changed because I'm still within a range. So when it break, that's the structure point is for something to break out of that range. So to wrap up the Aussie dollar, we are going to be a buyer of the Aussie dollar above 106.93, and my structure long is the 108.86. And if I buy it above the 106.93, my stop is the 106.50. I will go short below the 106.18, and my structure short is the 104.39. And in both long and short, I'm using the same stop of the 106.50. Okay, that is the Aussie dollar. Let me save the recording and